Okay, so the first thing we're going to focus in order for us to be able to submit that screenshot of your decimal calculator is you're going to make sure the browser's open. You can go to your Start menu, and inside your Start menu, you might have to search it, but you're going to type in the word snip, and it's going to pop up Snipping tool. Think of this as like a drag and screenshot version on your computer. So you can move this around to anywhere you want, and once you start getting to the spot you want to begin, you pull your mouse as you're clicking to the spot that you want to stop at. And as you can tell, that box that once was there is now gone. And then once you let go of the mouse, you get a picture of the entire screenshot of your computer. If you like the picture, you can hit File, Save As, and I would save it in your pictures. Give it a title. Alright, this is going to be the Desmo screenshots. Okay. If you end up realizing that the screenshot didn't work, or you don't like it, or you missed a big part of something, you can click New, and it will bring up a little shaded picture again, ready for you to go and get what you need to. If you don't have it in a window that you wanted, let's say I wanted to switch over to Canvas and take a screenshot over there, you can hit Cancel. This will stay here. You can put it down towards your bottom of your tool ball, bring it back up if you need it, and then you can switch wherever you need to go, and then click New when you're ready to take a screenshot. And that's your snipping tool. Once you have your snipping picture of the decimal, you can come back into your assignment and you can add a comment by submitting your picture that you have saved, or you can text it to me as well. I'll be sure to leave my number in the contacts for the comments, okay? Hope that helps. Let me know if you need anything else.